In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix the Msvcr110.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Check first for the system information to know the system type. Here I am a 64-bit, so take note of that. And then open in any of the browser that you have on your Windows. Simply search for the name of the DLL file that is missing and then type download. Hit enter. Click on it for free download. Scroll down and you will find for the architecture of your Windows. Okay, so click on the first one that is for the architecture of your Windows and click on the download button. Okay, and that will be downloaded from here. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon. And then right click on the folder, select extract all, click on extract, and then copy the DLL file, right click, select copy, and then navigate to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the Windows folder, double click, scroll down to the S section. Now, here's the case. If you are a 64-bit Windows for the system type, you have to go to System 32. If you are a 32-bit, go to SYS 64. So we are a 64-bit, so we need to go to System 32. Right-click and then select Paste, and click on Replace the file in the destination. After doing so, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. The next thing that we can do is to open again a browser. So open Chrome or any of the browser. In the search bar, search for Visual C++ Redistributable. Click on it for the first result. And then here, you'll find for the architecture or the system type of your Windows. Click the link that is corresponding to your system type. And then after doing so, just simply install that into your Windows to install the Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable. Okay? And I hope this video helped you. Kindly, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.